everyone, I'm Miss Sarah and welcome to another Cooking Up Stories. Today we are going to have a butterfly Cooking Up Stories. We're going to read a fun and exciting butterfly book, make a butterfly snack, and I'll show you how to do a butterfly craft. And we are reading one of my favorite books today. I have a lot of favorites and this is one of them. This is Butterfly, A Book of Colors by Petr Horacek. And I love this book because it's so beautiful and colorful, and there is a lovely little surprise at the end. So let's go ahead and start our book. Butterfly by Petr Horacek. One day, Lucy saw a beautiful butterfly. Do you see it flying right there? She played with it and chased it all around the garden. And you see all the different garden things she was playing around. We got a watering can, a shovel, a little ball. The next day, Lucy couldn't find the butterfly anywhere. Do you guys see the butterfly? I don't either. Poor Lucy. But she did find a pink earthworm wriggling along the ground. There's the earthworm. Can you give a little wriggle? Good job. And what's that? A brown spider busy spinning her web. You see how big it is? Ooh. Then Lucy discovered a green beetle and a family of very spotty red ladybugs scurrying around. So you do see the green beetle over here. And how many ladybugs do you see? I see 1, 2, 3. Can you show me 3? Good job. She saw a snail with an orange shell slithering. You see the snail? And what color do you see over here? Purple. 3 purple caterpillars munching a leaf. Munch, munch, munch. And then what color is this? Blue. A shimmering blue dragonfly. It's got really big wings. And a yellow bee with a stripe buzzing around. Give a little buzz sound. Buzz. But Lucy didn't see the butterfly anywhere. She looked and looked. Do you see that butterfly? I mean, I don't see it by the tree. I don't see it in the grass over there either. Or underneath the watering can. Lucy lay down in the cool grass to wait. Then high in the sky, what do you think is going to happen? Let's find out. There it was, her colorful, beautiful butterfly. I absolutely love this book because of this beautiful pop-out butterfly at the end. So beautiful and colorful and bright. I can't wait to start seeing more butterflies around. Can you? That is the end of our book, and here's some more little garden critters that you can find. Let's move on into our snack for today. So for today, we are making a little butterfly, and it's going to be a little healthy butterfly snack. So what you're gonna need is a piece of celery stalk, and you can cut it about the size. This might be like 2 or 3 inches. So 2 chocolate chips. You can kind of see chocolate chip. You'll need at least 3 pretzels. I have some extra just in case mine break weird. And then we are gonna need some raisins, and that is however many raisins you want. And then you're going to also need, I have peanut butter, but you can use any nut butter that you want. Sunflower seed butter, that's not a nut, but you can use that. Almond butter, whatever kind of spread you like. Ooh, chocolate hazelnut spread, that could be fun. You could also like just not use chocolate chips if you don't want to, and you could use like hummus too instead. I know a lot of kids like hummus too. So we're gonna start out by putting a layer of our spread. For me, it's peanut butter. Down on our celery, just like that in the middle. You kind of want a good amount because you want to make sure those pretzels can stick. You want it all around. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more at the front. All right, ooh, little guys right here. Okay, so now you have your peanut butter and your celery. This is a lot of peanut butter. And then we're going to put in our wings. I put in a lot of peanut butter because I want to make sure my wings stick. So you're using the pretzels as your wings for your butterfly. And you're just gonna kind of put them in like that. So you kind of see how it looks. Yeah, just like that. And then I'm going to plop on my 2 chocolate chip eyes. You don't have to use chocolate chips. You could use raisins too if you want. And then we're almost done already. This is a very quick and easy snack to make. We're going to throw, so you got to see the eyes of the cute little butterfly. Oh my God, so cute. Then we're gonna throw on those raisins onto the back just to cover up some of that peanut butter, make him look all pretty. We like our pretty little butterflies. Okay. All right, so you can kind of see the butterfly. It's gonna fly away soon. And then the next part is you're going to want to, I'm gonna just lean this. Oh, I can't really lean it. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Break apart a pretzel, because now we're gonna stick some antennas on. So break apart a pretzel, and if you find some good pieces for an antenna, that's great. Go ahead and use that. I think these 2 look like really good pieces, so I'm gonna go ahead and use those for my antenna. And then you're just gonna stick those in right there. And there you have your cute little butterfly snack. So cute. And then you can go ahead and gobble him up because he's a snack and you should eat him. All right, good job. I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my hands really quickly. And then we will go ahead and move on into our craft for today, okay? I'll be right back. All right, I am back and we are ready to do our craft for today. So what you're going to need is a Ziploc bag, some cut out pieces of construction paper, tissue paper. You could use recycled paper, newspaper, any type of paper you have lying around. Cut them up into smaller pieces, about whatever size you think is good. And then you'll need a pipe cleaner. And we're gonna go ahead and start by building our butterfly by cutting off the very top of the Ziploc bag right before the, right after like the zipper part. So you wanna just cut the very, very top off. And your bag might look different than mine, that's okay. And then next we're going to start filling our bag. So what you're gonna do is you wanna fill this bag like 2/3 full. Thank you, Maya. 2/3 full with tissue paper, whatever paper you have lying around. I got the tissue paper squares. So you're just gonna start crumpling them up. and placing them inside. My dog's just dropping her bone everywhere. So you can kind of find whatever colors you like. I'm going to just go for a variety. All right, I think this is kind of where I kind of want it to be right now, so I'm gonna stop filling it. I think I could probably put some more in, but I'm gonna just stop here. And you're gonna want to squeeze. So now you're gonna want to get as much air out as possible from the bag before you zip it closed. So squish it down. Give a little zip. I think I squished mine down too much. Don't squish it down too much, but just get some air out. Okay. All right, so you have your bag full of wonderful, beautiful, different colored paper, or not different color paper. And then we're going to kind of squish it in the middle. I think I still need to get some air out. Actually, that'll work. And then you're gonna take your pipe cleaner, so it's kind of looking, it already kind of looks like a butterfly when you do that. So now we're just gonna contain it. So take your pipe cleaner and start wrapping it around the middle of the butterfly. And then I'm kind of just going to stop, so I kind of have it wrapped around, and then I'm just gonna twist them together to kind of tie it in the middle. And one of my antennas is slightly longer than the other, so I'm just gonna trim it. So you kind of see your beautiful butterfly, and you can kind of like kind of make the wings look like that. And look at, it's so pretty. Looks great next to the butterfly book. So I hope you guys had fun today. We made our little butterfly snack. You can see them on my plate right here. We made our butterfly craft, and we read a really fun butterfly book. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our cooking up stories with the butterfly. See you next time. Bye.